Hi, welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this short video, I suppose, let's talk about SEO and let's talk about SEO PowerSuite. This is a professional SEO suite just for the serious SEO. I already made some videos about it, but as you can see, there is something new in the rank tracker module of SEO PowerSuite, because this tool is divided in different tools: the rank tracker, the website auditor, the SEO spyglass, and the link assistant. You can check my old videos about it. If you click on the link in the description, you can reach directly this page. You can insert your email and try this for free, because they also have a free version with some limitations. If I go on this pricing page, as you can see, you have a free edition for evaluation. You can't save projects, but you can do many other things with limits. And then you have different plans, a 99 euros or dollars per year, 299 and 499, depending on the limits you want. These two are unlimited, and this one also has many more projects and some other features. I received an email some days ago from SEO PowerSuite, and basically what they made is a new dashboard in the rank tracker. And these are the new advantages: easily adjustable live SEO reports, new historical data module, and you can export in PDF and HTML. So let's go inside the tool, and in the previous version, this is what you could see. I'm hiding my data because I don't want to mess up with this site. It's one of my sites, and as you will see, it's losing positions because it has been hit by Google updates. Anyway, this was what you could see before this update. Obviously, this page is again available here in the tracked keywords, but now they have this new dashboard. So when you open now the rank tracker, you can see this new page. You can now, as I said, save to PDF, save to HTML. You have your domain here, you have some other data, the IP, the age of your domain. You can choose the period you want to analyze. I choose 6 months ago. It's the maximum period I can see here. And then I have some interesting views here. The rank tracking, I have my top ranked keywords with the search volume and the Google .it. In my case, this is an Italian site ranking. These are not the best keywords I have. I don't know why I see these 51, 57 positions when I have keywords in the first positions. Anyway, by clicking here, see all 89, I can see all my keywords. Then I have a visibility of tracked keywords. As I said, I've been hit in March by Google updates, so as you can see, my visibility is declining. I have to work on this site. I don't know if it's worth it, but I will see. Then scrolling down, I have this other section where I can see in different search engines my keyword positions: Google Mobile, Bing, and Yahoo. Scrolling down, I have the keyword research section, again with the ranking keywords, search volume, and keyword difficulty in this case. And here I can see some of my tracked keywords and some of not tracked keywords. Remember that with this tool you can track unlimited keywords, so you don't have any limits if you have one of the highest plans. and this is very useful. I have a keyword gap section. If I want to compare my keywords with competitors, I have some example competitors here. I can manage competitors, and I can see some keywords they have and I don't have on my site, or they are ranking for and I'm not ranking for with keyword difficulty. I can choose desktop or mobile. Scrolling down, I have some historical data now. Again, very easy to understand. Here is where I had my Google update hit on monthly organic traffic, on organic traffic value. And again, scrolling down, I have this last section with position distribution. This is interesting because I can check, for example, my first 3 position keywords. And as you can see, it's quite stable lately, but I lost many first positions. I can check my 4 to 10 position. Even here it's quite stable in the last month. I can check 11-20 position is going up. I can see my 21 to 50 position, and I can check even my over than 50 position. So this is quite interesting. At a blink of an eye, I have my keyword count graph, and here I have my domain competitors, so I can keep track of them. And this is it for this new dashboard. Again, with the previous version, you couldn't watch your data like this. I think this is a good improvement for this tool. Obviously, you also have your keyword research section with many tools ranking keywords for any site, the keyword gap between your site and competitors. You can check your Search Console data directly from here. You have a keyword planner, so you can search for keywords from the Google Ads Keyword Planner and the Google Ads by Target Page and Yandex WordStat. You have an autocomplete tools keyword research. You have related searches. You have related questions if you want to find questions about your topic or anything, with the people also ask and autocomplete. You have keyword combinations and many more other options like the SERP analysis. If you want to check any SERP, you have competitor research. So these are all the modules you can have in the rank tracker tool for SEO PowerSuite. But the main new feature is, again, this brand new dashboard. There is also an interesting video to learn how to use it here on their page, and all these features for the rank tracker. If you click on the link in the description, you can go here, you can insert your email and try this tool for free, because you will have access to this free for evaluation version. You can try all the 4 tools: Rank Tracker, Website Auditor, SEO Spyglass, Link Assistant. You can anyway make 100 reports per month with the keyword research, and you can use it with these limits. If you like it, you can then upgrade to one of these plans, obviously depending on your needs. This is a very good tool. Again, I made other videos about it. You can find the links in the description. And that's all for this quick video. I hope you enjoy it. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good mid-August week. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.